Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors and the Knowledge, the podcast dedicated to gastronomic education, healthy living, and the pure joy of eating well. I'm your host, Ethan Clark, speaking to you from Chef Walter's Cooking School right here in Cranston, Rhode Island, USA. Today's episode is about making mealtime easier to handle, perhaps one of the most stressful aspects of life for many people. So let's get started on making mealtime simpler, especially if you're dealing with picky eaters, last-minute changes, or just plain busy nights. Instead of sticking to a rigid schedule, think of meal planning as your friendly guide, not a strict rulebook. For the picky eaters in your life, try the deconstructed dinner. Set out the parts of the meal separately, like a taco bar, a baked potato bar, or pasta with sauces and toppings on the side. That way, everyone can build exactly what they want. And here's a helpful rule. Make sure every meal has at least one safe thing you know everyone likes, whether that's bread, rice, fruit, or plain protein. Just having that one reliable option takes so much pressure off the table. Life happens, so plan for flexibility. Keep one night a week as your flex night, for leftovers, unexpected plans, or throwing together something simple from the pantry. It's your safety valve. Also, tuck at least one emergency meal in the freezer, like soup, lasagna, or burgers, so you're covered if everything changes. And feel free to swap meals around. If you planned a slow cooker dish but end up with more time, switch it for something quicker later in the week. Your plan should work for you, not the other way around. On those extra hectic nights, lean into shortcuts. Cook double and freeze half, future you will be grateful. Or try prep once, eat twice. Roast a big tray of veggies and cook a batch of quinoa on Sunday, then use them in a grain bowl on Monday and with chicken on Tuesday. And don't forget to tool up. Apps like Paprika or Plan to Eat help organize recipes and lists, while a slow cooker or instant pot can do the cooking while you're busy. Yes, pre-chopped onions or washed spinach might cost a little more, but if it saves time and sanity, it's worth it. In fact, recent research shows that using semi-prepared ingredients can help reduce food waste. When shopping, let your menu guide your list. Organize it by section, produce, dairy, dry goods, so you move through the store efficiently. Before you go, peek in your fridge and pantry. See that half bag of spinach or lone can of beans? Plan a meal around it. And try to use ingredients across multiple meals. If you need sour cream for one recipe, plan baked potatoes later to use up the rest. Be specific on your list, too. Write 2 bell peppers instead of just vegetables. You'll buy only what you need, avoid waste, and skip that frustrating last-minute takeout because you forgot one thing. Remember, your first weekly plan doesn't have to be perfect. It might be simple, you might adjust it. That's totally fine. This is about progress, not perfection. Over time, you'll find your rhythm, discover go-to meals, and honestly, it just gets easier. I am sure you've got this. In conclusion, dear listeners, I would like to remind you that all our podcasts are featured on all your preferred platforms. Please join us for the next round for another exciting and educational content. You can join us and take cooking classes at our school if you live in the New England area to certainly elevate your talent. Lastly, if you are in the kitchen, keep your eyes on the fire. Thanks for the privilege of your time. This podcast is produced and published by Sim Val Media Group, USA.